Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to convert PDF file into a Word document. So without further delay, let's get started. So first and foremost, in order to convert the file without using the internet, we need a Microsoft Office Word on our computer. So if you are not having it, I'll leave a link in the description for you to download Microsoft Office Word and install on your computer. So first, let's create a new Word file. So right click on your desktop and go to New. Under the New section, click on Microsoft Word document, or you go to your Start and then go to the apps and select that. So open that. Right, so this is our Word document open. Let's open the PDF for you to be sure that it is a PDF file. Right, we have it here, which we can't edit. Here is the PDF, and there's even a picture. We can't edit that. So this is our PDF. So let's close this. Now what you need to in order for us to convert it, so just click on File on the Microsoft Office Word, click on File to open the properties. Now we drag and drop the PDF file onto the Microsoft Office Word. So let's drag and drop it there. Right, as you can see, this is a message it is giving us. Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document, and which is what we need. Yes, so you click on OK. Right, so we have our Word document here. Now we can edit that. Right, I want to take a few moments. So let's say we can edit here and then clean this. Right, you can see it is being cleared. So the picture is not straight, so let's just remove that. You can remove that just by deleting it, or we can crop it. Right, you can see we can edit all that is in there. So let's delete that. Let's select the image and delete it. Right, so click on it, then we delete that. Right, so we have only the Word document here. So which, if we want, let's see, we can edit whatever that we want on this folder. So let's bolden this. Right, so as you can see, it is being edited. Now if you want to save it, so you have to save it as a new file. So let's go to the file and then save as. So select your destination and save the file there. I'm going to be saving it on the desktop. So as you can see, we have battery test docs. So let's click on OK. Right, it is being saved. So let's close this, close that, and let's see, here is the file. Let's open it to see. And boom, our PDF has been converted to a Word document now. So that is how to convert a PDF file into a Word document. So guys, if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you on our next video. But if you don't know how to convert a Word to a PDF file, I'll leave a video in the description for you to check on that, or click on it on the screen. Thanks for watching. See you on our next video. Peace out.